Edifier's TWS NB2 Pro. These things have Bluetooth 5.0, 6 microphones, active hybrid noise cancellation mode, $79.99 right now on Amazon.com. I'll add a link down in the description. Let's get this box popped. Let's get into it. Yeah. All right, guys, let's see how they initially fit. See if these ear tips will work. Wow, very good passive seal right off the bat. I like the style of these. They're definitely a lot different than what you normally see. Let's get these paired up and let's get into the audio test. Now, before we do the audio test, guys, you gotta do me a favor. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and make sure you have notifications turned on. It's gonna help the channel out so much. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you in advance. Let's get into the audio test. I have the Edifier TWS NB2 Pros paired up, but I wanted to show you the app really fast first. So in the app, there is a noise cancellation and ambient sound setting, which is very cool. And then if we swap over, there's different modes. So you can have your standard mode, you can have spatial audio while listening to music, and then finally they have gaming mode. So I will be sure to test these during the latency test in gaming mode. Let's go ahead and turn on the spatial audio. Let's get them cranked up. Let's do that right meow. Yeah, I like it. Boom, boom. Brain rattling bass. I love it. Edifier's NB2 Pros are hot. 79 bucks, guys. Highs are crisp, the bass hits, the mids are decent. These are a major go. They sound really great. If audio is your main concern, if price point is your main concern, I think these fit the perfect segment right there as far as price versus quality for audio. The next test is gonna be the mic. Now, these have 6 microphones, so I am expecting some really, really good results here. It is mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Edifier TWS NB2 Pros. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Edifier TWS NB2 Pros true wireless earphones. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Are these a go for mic quality? Let me know. All right, guys, so currently I have the earbuds in Ted's ears. If you don't know who or what Ted is a binaural microphone. Basically, there is a mic in each one of these ears. That way you can kind of hear what I hear when I have them in my ears. So right now, none of the features are turned on as far as ambient sounds or noise cancellation sounds. So right now, I'm gonna turn on the ambient sound mode. There is a toggle here, so that way we can adjust it. I have it set at 0, so really you should be able to hear everything that's going on in the room. And my room's pretty quiet right now, but I'm going to adjust it to 2 so you can see it at level 2, and now down to -2. You should hear my voice fluctuating slightly, but you should really be able to hear me crisp, clear all the way through. Now let's go ahead and turn on noise cancellation mode. So noise cancellation mode is turned on, and this is what it would sound like if we were standing next to each other and having a conversation. Now, what I'm going to do is turn on some ambient noise in the background. It's going to be at about 85 decibels, which is typical of a bar, of a restaurant, or a cafe. So let me go ahead and do that. So now this is what my voice would sound like with ambient noise running in the background with noise cancellation turned on. What do you guys think? Are the Edifiers holding up? Are they working well? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's jump into the latency test. All right, guys, so it is latency test time, and as always, we test on two devices, an Android and an iOS device. For the Android device, I am using a OnePlus 8 Pro, and for the iOS device, I have a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Up first is going to be the Android phone. Now, I do have the earbuds set on gaming mode, so here we go. All right, now let's go ahead and switch over to the iOS phone. Here we go. All right, guys, so there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and yes, as always, a latency test. If you like this video or helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.